Good morning, students. Today we will continue the previous topic, derivative of parametric functions. We have discussed some questions in the last video. Now we are going to continue the same topic and discuss some other questions having different method of solution. So let's see. We have given that x equal 1 plus log t upon t square and y equal 3 plus 2 log t upon t. We have to show that dy over dx equal t. So let's start. First we will find dx over dt. We have to apply the quotient rule, means u upon b. I think you all have remembered that what is the quotient rule. This is equals to second function first का differentiation minus first function second का differentiation upon b square, second function का square. Apply this. Second function first का differentiation minus first function second का differentiation upon denominator का square equal t square 1 का 0 log p का 1 upon t minus 1 plus log t t square का differentiation 2t upon t square का square which is t to the power 4 equal t minus, when t square is multiplied then 1 t is cancelled and what is remain? T is remaining minus 2t minus 2t log t upon t की power 4 equal minus t minus 2t log t upon t की power 4. Taking t common from the numerator and it will cancel out from the denominator. Then we have minus 1 upon t cube 1 plus log t. This is our dx over dt. Similarly, we have to find dy over dt. Second function first का differentiation 3 plus 2 log t minus first function second का differentiation of t is 1 upon denominator का square t square equal t का 0 plus 2 upon t minus 3 plus 2 log t whole upon t square equal 2 minus 3 minus 2 log t upon t square equal minus 1 minus 2 log t upon t square minus 1 upon t square taking common 1 plus 2 log t Now we will find dy over dx. यहाँ पर 2 छूट गया था, ये 2 log t हो गया था, 1 plus 2 log t. Now we will find dy over dx, which is equals to dy over dt upon dx over dt. dy over dt is minus 1 upon t square 1 plus log 1 plus 2 log t upon minus 1 upon t cube 1 plus 2 log t. 1 plus 2 log t, 1 plus 2 log t cancel, minus minus plus, and this is t square, this is t cube, t square will cancel out, only t will be remain. So dy over dx equal t. Now see the next question. We have given that x equal 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta and y equal 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta. We have to prove that dy over dx equal tan 3 theta by 2. First, we will differentiate x with respect to theta. Then d over d theta 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Dx over d theta equal cos, differentiation of cos theta is sin theta minus cos 2 theta का differentiation minus sin 2 theta into 2. The differentiation of 2 theta is 2. So this is equals to minus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Similarly, dy over d theta equal d over d theta 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta equal differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, so this is 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta into 2 equal 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Here we can take minus 2 common, sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Now dy over dx equal 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta upon minus 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta. 2 and 2 cancel. Now apply cos c minus cos t and sin c minus sin t. Cos c minus cos t is minus 2 times sin c plus t, theta plus 2 theta upon 2 sin c minus d theta minus 2 theta upon 2 upon cos sin c minus sin d is 2 times, बट माइनस यहाँ पहले से है तो माइनस लगा देंगे, 2 टाइम्स cos थीटा प्लस 2 theta upon 2 sin theta minus 2 theta upon 2. It is cancelled. Sin theta minus 2 theta upon 2 is cancelled. Minus minus plus 2 से 2 cancel. Sin upon cos is tan. Theta plus 2 theta upon 2 is 3 theta upon 2. So in this way you have to solve all the questions of the exercise. If any doubt arises, then you can ask. Thank you.